big pieces off first. Pretty satisfying. It's just a crazy difference. Olive has a foot injury, so she's been wearing my work socks. One of the things Jennifer wants to tackle today is scrubbing the sidewalk. So we've got the Ryobi out here. This is the Honda powered Ryobi, 3300 PSI. This will be our first time using it this summer. You can see the sidewalk's got some dirt. Especially down here on the corner. So here's a before shot. Water on first. Switch on. Choke.
It's been 2 years since we started it.
Yeah. And I completely drained the gas out last time. Forgot to turn the fuel on. Adjusted the nozzle to 25 degrees. Welcome back to Purple Collar Life and projects put off too long. In today's video, Jennifer is using the pressure washer and the Ryobi Surface Cleaner to do the sidewalks that we haven't done for 2 years.
No, it's been longer. We haven't gotten the pressure washer out for 2 years. But even the last time we got it out, we did not do this in front. We just did the side.
So it's been...
maybe ever. We did in between the garage and the house from here the whole way back, but we didn't do the front. Right.
So if I have video of doing this around the turn, I'll insert it here.
Okay, there you go.
We made a video a number of years ago saying the best $70 we spent all summer. So that's how much this attachment costs a couple years ago when we bought it, $70. I'm not sure what it is now. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down below if I can find this on Amazon. But we got ours at Home Depot along with the pressure washer. This pressure washer has the 3300 PSI Ryobi, and it's got the Honda engine. I wanted one with the Honda engine, and this is one of the most satisfying. I was actually getting the camera to go out and move some dirt, and I got distracted by Jennifer doing the sidewalk here.
Which I could actually be doing by myself, and we could both be tackling projects.
Yeah, so I will be doing that. I'm going to leave this project to go work on dirt work, but I wanted to do just a quick update video on having the pressure washer and the surface cleaner. Now, we only have used the pressure washer, I think, for a couple things, and mostly always with the surface cleaner, right?
Right. We bought it specifically because we were redoing the porch across the road when we bought that house.
Yep.
And then we've taken it down. We did all the sidewalks at my mom and dad's. We did part of our sidewalks. We did your parents' sidewalks. But then we've been having trouble with the outside faucet. So I think that's what's put the kibosh on.
Right. So one of the things I worked on today was getting an outside spigot working. There's one underneath the porch from even before the porch was here, and it's just kind of been dormant. I haven't used it. It stopped working because a whole bunch of spiders or bees or something got up in it and clogged it all up. So I worked on cleaning that out today, so we have some outside water to do projects like this, wash some cars, the things that we've been putting off for a long time.
So satisfying. I've been wanting that done for a long time. Now I've got the edging done for most of the way down.
Explain why you can't just go over the edge with the surface.
I think you don't go over the edge with the surface cleaner because if the surface cleaner spins around and catches the end of it, it'll bend it.
Yeah.
Right.
Look how nice this sidewalk looks. Very white. Remember that corner from the beginning? Jennifer's still working down here. You have a lot of white paint on you, and there's a lot of white paint missing over here.
So that just saves me from scraping it because that's on my summer list too.
She said this just saves her from scraping it because this is on her summer list to paint that door frame. Looks good. I see you did the corner of the garage.
Well, that's because you're trying to steal my thunder. Yeah, look at this.
And that's just water. Our pressure washer does have the ability to automatically add in detergent like Simple Clean. What do you think it would cost to have someone do the whole house and the garage and the porch?
Well, we just got an estimate, but that was for hand washing.
Yeah.
$800. This was on my list last summer.
You ready to take a break for some dinner? Do you want to finish the back of the
If you want to go, how long will it take?
To do the garage?
No. Steaks.
15 minutes.
Alright, why don't I work on this while you get dinner going?
So it's been a couple years since we ran the pressure washer like we said at the beginning, and Jennifer's been having fun out here doing the sidewalks and the back patio, and now she's starting on the back of the garage.
You know, I was surprised because I'm positive. How many years ago did we buy the property beside us?
I don't know.
2?
More than that.
Second summer?
I don't remember.
Well, it's been 2 or 3 years since we've pressure washed this back part of the cement. And I could not get over how dirty it was.
Yeah.
And I know.
It's dirty fast, especially back here in the shade.
Yeah. And I mean, even the siding on the garage, I feel like it was just, a couple years ago, it was just starting to get moldy. And then with our faucet issues, it just kind of ramped up once it started.
And I think if you put like Simple Green in the automatic dispense thing on the vinyl, that would do better. We found with the cement, it didn't make that much of a difference, so we just use water on the sidewalks.
Well,
but I think on siding, a little bit of cleaner might help go a little better.
Oh, I think it's cleaning pretty good.
It is. I just think it might not have to do every 4 inches. You know what I mean? Like if you get Simple Green, it might do a wider swath at a time.
I'm fine. I'll be done soon.
Okay. And then the other thing I'll put in the video is how much water this used. So she did the front sidewalk, the side sidewalk, the back patio, and she's going to do the back of the garage. So it'll be interesting to see how much water she's used doing this pressure washing. And in the meantime, I'm not sure which video you'll see first, but I've been working on moving dirt. And it seems like the amount of time I've worked and the amount of time she's worked has been equal, but she's got a lot more evidence of her work than me. I'm doing just a bucket full at a time trying to move some dirt. So
well, I don't know if that's totally true. I feel like you watched me for a while.
I did. It was pretty mesmerizing to watch the sidewalk get cleaned. So thanks for watching. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, please give us the big thumbs up down below. Thank you for always leaving those comments, clicking that like button. Those of you who aren't subscribed, we'd appreciate if you would subscribe. And then go ahead and watch that previous video of doing the pressure washing at the sidewalks, or another video from our channel. We would appreciate it if you watch another video while you're here at Purple Collar Life. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again the next time.